Hi, my name is Jagmar. I am going in this video. I am going to execute some Hibernate programs, insert the data, update the data, and delete the data inside the MySQL database. First, we need to check where is our jar files are there. I put some jar files inside the local disk Hibernate. It contains 12 jar files. Keep it in minimize. Now open the MySQL yoke and connect. Maximize it. Okay, this is my database. Tables here. I want to delete my previous table. More drop table from database. Yes, in my database no one database is there, no one table is there. See, now minimize it and open the Eclipse. This is our Eclipse, and close all. Okay, open perspective as a Java perspective. Okay, and go to window, then show view, then navigator mode, then right click on navigator mode, new Java project, name as it is your project. I am here going to name as insert for Hibernate project, because we are made a single modifying the same program as 3 operations like insert and update and also delete. That's why I'm going to name it as Hibernate project. Hibernate project, then just click on finish. Now our project is created. Just click on project and right click, then new folder name is lib stand for library, and finish it, and then go to our jar files folder. They are my jars. Control R, Control C for copy all the files and go back to Eclipse, paste in the library folder, Control V. Control C, Eclipse, Control V. All library files are included. Let's see. Now just click on project and right click, properties, then go to the Java build path, and then libraries, then add jars, Hibernate project, click on project, open the lib folder, then all my jar files are showing here. Just select on jar, shift, then last jar all are selected, click on OK, then apply, then OK, keep it aside. Now I am going to copy the my another file is called XML file, Ctrl C, then go to the Eclipse, paste on source folder as a src, Ctrl V. Now see XML folder is here, double click, don't do anything, just keep it aside, then click on source, right click, new package. ORG stand for organization, and JK stands for, it's nothing but a company name, and then as my app name same as a project name, Hibernate application app. Then finish. Now Hibernate app is selected, just click Control and class, select the class, then next, name it as a class, project, okay, class name. I want to store the student data, that's why I am creating the project name, class name as student, then finish. Class have delete the current line, Control D. Now just enter properties are required for students, private, it is an integer type data type, ID, enter, private, string, and name, private, string, address, they are the data for student. Now they are the private data type, that's why we want to invoke the getter and setters. Go to the source and generate getters and setters, click on and select all, then OK, all are completed. Now I am deleting the unwanted lines. Okay, just before the class I entering the @ entity n control space entity java x persistence package, enter, then enter, and at the rate table control space table persistence. We want to change my table name in database, and that I want to name it as pro. That's why name equal to table name is a string type. That's why I'm put in a double quotes. Pro is my table name. Now just go to the just before the id at the rate set as a primary key. That's why at the rate I control space Java persistence, enter. Then it is coming already. I want to change this entity to make it as star, then delete the current line. I don't want to add more lines in my program. That's why I'm deleted here. Okay, deleted the unwanted line. Just after this id I want to generate the values. That's why again at the rate gen control space generate the value, enter. Now all my program is done. I want to create another program, another class name is div class. I want main method here. That's why click on main method, finish, remove the unwanted lines. Student, my class name, this is my class, enter. Then reference as s equal to new string, new student method, then enter. I want to add the student data. That's why s variable dot set name in double quotes. My name is Jay Kumar. Then enter. Yes dot set address which Vijayanagara, double quote close, then enter. Configuration file, just for first letter on, control space configuration, Hibernate configuration file. Enter. Now its reference as conf equals to new configuration. New space configuration method semicolon enter conf variable conf dot configuration enter semicolon enter session is control space session I want session factory that's in a Hibernate package, that's why session factory Hibernate package. I want to change the library name make it a star session factory reference as ACF equals to configuration reference dot build session factory semicolon enter then session control space session Hibernate package then variable reference as SES then equal to SCF dot open session semicolon enter then transaction enter trans as a reference tran equal to session reference dot begin transaction enter session save because I want in this program we want save the data, that's why it is reference as a my class reference is S, that's why select it as S and close the semicolon enter then trans commit trans reference dot commit semicolon enter close the session dot close method session close semicolon closed. Now it's completed. I want to go the XML file and some modification are there in this wicket. I want to make some modification in this XML file. Remove it in the database. I want to check which database I want to create a table. Database name is J. I want to enter name is J Now my database password is admin. It is admin. Then I want fully qualified last name. Then just go to the student.java and click on student. Right click, copy qualified name, then go to paste here, Control V. Now all are done. I want to check anything here. Forget. Okay. No. Save all the files. Control Shift S. My all files are saved. Just click on run. Okay, query is generated. Now I want to check my database. Click on plus tables. Now I just select my database and refresh it. Now check database. Okay, table is created. Just click on table, right click, open the table. See, data is inserted to the table and table name. Table name is Pro, name is Jay Kumar, address Vijayanagara, and ID is generated by itself because table and ID created by Hibernate. No need to change anything. Just close the console window. We want to add more some data. Rahul. Remaining is deleted. Control S. Just run the project. Now I want to check my database. Okay. See, I am not refreshing, that's why not updated. Just click on refresh. Data is entered. I want to add another data. Madhu. Control S, then run the program again. Generated. I want to check once, refresh it. Okay, see, again data is stored in database. I have to go. I want to add some another data. Private. run the program. Now check the database, refresh, data is coming. Now it is the inserting the data in the database. I want to show now how to update the data in database in same program. What we are make changes, we don't touch any XML file and student file. I want to change only my DO class file. First I am going to update the data. I don't need those 3 lines, just remove and before we updating the data, we want to fetch the data, that's fine. After, we don't need this line also, we just delete it. Next, after the transaction, we want to add student reference as a std equal to session dot get session of the enter argument nothing but student1 student dot class student dot class. I want to modify 4th record, that's why 4 close the braces semicolon, then enter. What I want to make in std reference student reference dot set address, make it as in double quotes other data enter session I made here. No, I want to add another data std dot my 4th record is updated. I want to check. Yes, my 4th record is updated. I want to show now how to delete the record. Go to the Eclipse. We did not change anything. I don't want to those 2 lines. I want to remove it. Just 4th record I want to delete. Sys dot delete object student control S see once in a database. 4th part is there. I want to program and run the program. Yes, happening. Now I want to check my database. See, fourth record is now is there. I want to refresh it. Yes. Data is closed. All three Hibernate programs are done. So the Eclipse. Thank you for watching.